Hello again. Welcome back to our story, Sherlock Holmes, the Dying Detective. In Chapter 2, Watson goes quickly to my sickbed, but I refuse to let him help me. I ask for a specialist doctor, but then, strangely, I lock Watson in the room with me. Chapter 3. Holmes is worse. Holmes cries excitedly, "Stay here, Watson. I've got the key. What time is it? 4 o'clock? At 6 o'clock you can go, but not before." Watson looks at his friend sadly. "Holmes, this illness is doing strange things to your head, but I can wait until 6. "Good. One more thing, Watson. Don't bring that man Ainstree. Now, perhaps I can sleep a little." Watson waits, looking at the pictures and books in the room. On a table, he sees a little black and white box. "That's interesting," he thinks. He moves his hand towards it. Suddenly, a terrible cry comes from the bed. "Stop, Watson! Don't move my things! I don't like it! Sit down, man! I need to sleep." At 6 o'clock, Holmes says, "Let's have some light, Watson, but only a little. Put the box near me. Not with your hands. Use your handkerchief. That's right. Now, you can go to Mr. Culverton Smith of 13 Lower Burke Street." "But who is this man, Holmes? I don't know the name." "He isn't a doctor. He has a plantation in Sumatra, but he's visiting London. He knows this illness well, because his workers often have it. Things are not good between us. Smith's nephew, Victor Savage, is dead. There is something wrong about his terrible death. I don't trust Smith, and he knows it, but only he can help me. There is one more thing. Don't come back with him. You must be here before him. This is very important, Watson." Watson takes the key, and he goes into the street. He sees Inspector Morton of Scotland Yard. "How is Mr. Holmes, sir?" Morton asks. "He's very ill," Watson answers. Morton smiles strangely. "I know something about it," he says. Watson doesn't understand, but he cannot wait. He gets into a cab and leaves. That's the end of today's chapter of The Dying Detective. Do come back tomorrow for the next 2 chapters. And remember, if you watch to the very end of the story on Friday, you'll get a secret code for free access to Oxford Reading Club.